Now we're making more progress extending our rail line here. We're almost up to the Sugarhouse. Then from the Sugarhouse we got to go back, and the other building on the right will be the new woodshed. And we'll probably make a spur to the old woodshed too, even though that'll probably still be used for wood storage. Well, we got the line extended back this far today. A little rainy and wet out. We will go for a ride all the way to the front here. It's about a 1.5% grade from the shop up to the Sugarhouse. So hopefully the locomotive won't have any trouble even when it's wet, hauling a full load, but it should be alright. There's Ethan with his tractor. It's nice and easy to run. It's just a hydrostatic drive, so you got one lever to go forward and backwards, and it's self-braking, so it's hydrostatic, so if the kids are running it, they can't forget to set the park and brake and roll away or have problems like that. Doesn't like to focus in the dark here, I guess. Not too dark, but it's getting dark. All the way to the end bumper. Take that up so we can't accidentally drive off the end. There's the tractor man again. This is where we go to get him off the bus. Really sitting off the bus by trail. And we'll go back now. You get a different view here. Low spots, tippy spots, we gotta put more ballast, camp in, but it's getting there.